I am in Shirley, Massachusetts. Right behind me is the Shirley train station. I'm going to be getting some up close and personal shots of the railroad signals. I was told by somebody else that's really into trains that these over the road signals are for the train conductors. I always thought they were for the street traffic. Please let me know in the comments below because I'm very interested to find that out. I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking during this video. It was a windy day and I know you're not going to want to hear me yapping. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.